Jerome's 1963 Pontiac Laurentian started life mild, with a factory inline-6 and a 3-speed manual. But mild doesn't cut it for Jerome. He's the kind of guy who wants to leave his mark literally and figuratively. And here's where the story starts. It rolled off the line with an inline-6 and a 3-speed manual. Fine for Sunday drives, but Jerome doesn't do Sunday drives. He does burnouts and bad decisions. He handed us a Chevy 350 and a Muncie 4-speed he'd picked up. But we didn't just bolt them in. We touched things up a little better for response and power. We threw on an Edelbrock ABS2 carb, March serpentine belt setup, aluminum radiator with electric fans to keep things cool when it's hot, MSD ignition, ram clutch in a Lakewood bell, block hugger headers, and a MagnaFlow exhaust that actually lets it breathe. Stopping power? Front and rear power disc conversion. Steering, Borgeson power setup, and a custom drive shaft to make sure all the torque lands where it should. Of course, nothing's ever easy. Pulling the old mill revealed a nightmare of melted wires. Someone had played reverse polarity roulette and fried the harness front to back. We ripped it all out, fuse panel, harness cluster, underhood, we redid it. Then the 350 died before it could even bark. 12 out of 16 cam lobes wiped out on break-in. We cracked it open and found the ugly truth. Mismatched main caps, tapered bores, tight pistons, crooked mainline. Some hack slapped it back together and called it a day. We fixed it the way it should have been done in the first place. Now, roller cam lifters, corrected machine work, proper clearance, back in, tuned, ready to play. But Jerome's not gentle. 6 months later, no forward, no reverse, not the clutch. Turns out the stock 9.3 rear end had thrown the spider gears through the diff case. We didn't even blink, yanked it, replaced it with a Ford 9-inch from Speedway Motors, welded up the mounts, energy suspension bushings, new panhard bar, fresh rear shocks, solid. Next season, Muncie's leaking and rattling like a coffee can full of bolts. Main shaft bearings are shot. We junked it, bolted in a brand new Tremec TKX 5-speed. Strong, precise, foolproof. End of the season, he's back with engine knock. A clapped wrist pin he didn't want to fix, he wanted a weapon. So, in goes a brand new blueprint engine, 400 cubic inch small block, 540 horsepower, and dyno-verified before it left their shop. We swapped over the serpentine, headers, tuned it for our altitude, and let her eat. While we were there, Moog tie rods, idler arm, pitman arm, and the classic industry's RPC tubular control arms, ready for the air ride going down the road. Now it's not the Pontiac Laurentian, it's Jerome's personal street fighting outlaw. Loud, fast, built for the beating he's gonna give it. We don't build pretty garage queens, we build the kind of shit that makes you misbehave.